Hello Triple Crew, it's ibyl, and I'm coming to you today with a financial journey update. So this is my February 2019 update, and I'm going to be sharing my wins and losses. All right, so a win for this month is not only having my first job, part-time job, that I started in January, but also have a second job. And you thinking, hold up, you got a full-time job, part-time jobs? Yes. So currently I'm working my full-time job and 2 part-time jobs. But they're really flexible, so it's not like I am like working 24/7. It may seem like that, but I'm not. And they're pretty flexible. The pay is pretty good, and it's doing something I enjoy doing anyway. So that is a win for February. Also, the money I have received so far from one of my part-time jobs, putting that towards debt is a win. Also, sticking to the budget, that's a win. So this month in February, I have stuck to no fast food, and I've done a lot of self-talk. Like when I leave work, sometimes I'm tired, I don't have anything cooked, I don't have any leftovers. You know what? Leftovers are the true MVP. Like when I have leftovers, man, things are beautiful. But when I leave work and I don't have any leftovers, I don't know what I'm going to eat. I just know I have some things in the freezer. I pass by one of my favorite fast food places, one of the most convenient fast food places near where I live, and I think to myself, just go ahead and stop. Just go ahead and stop. But then I have to talk to myself. Nope. You're not going to stop there. You got food at home. I mean, like real deal, #adulting. You got food at home. No, don't stop there. If you go home and cook, you can have leftovers for tomorrow for lunch. You won't have to take a struggle lunch. Like I have to talk to myself. And at the beginning of the month, because I was battling with eating a lot of fast food in January, at the beginning of the month, it was such a strong urge. I would continue to get the thought, go ahead and stop and get fast food. It's Friday. You deserve a treat. Go ahead and stop and get fast food. And I have to talk myself down. Nope. I already got food at home. I got leftovers. I can cook. I just need to thaw out this meat or whatever. So the self-talk was strong. It's still strong, but at this point, my mind doesn't even try it. The thought may come. It's real faint now. But as soon as it comes, my self-control kicks in or reminds me, you got food. So I dismiss it quicker. So sometimes our resistance is weak. Especially if we've been giving in to a habit. But sometimes our resistance is strong if we've been combating it. So just like with anything, it's still, when you're trying to change old habits, you still have to train yourself. And I don't know if a year from now I'll still battle with that, but right now I realize that within a month's time, I've gotten better at the self-talk in terms of the thought doesn't even come, or if it does come, it's real faint, and really quickly I shoot it down. Go ahead and get stopped. Girl, you got food at home. And just like that, it's gone. So the more you tell yourself, this is what I'm doing, this is what I'm going to stick to, I got goals to achieve, the better you can stick to your goals. I hope this has been helpful for someone who is tuning into this video. This has been my wins and losses for February. Let me see. I talked about a lot of wins. What were my losses? So I would say within a win of sticking to the budget, well, creating the budget, sticking to it. The loss was there were some things that came up in February that were not on my budget because I didn't know they were going to come up. So just making sure I project to cover that in the future. That would be a loss. Also getting used to having my part-time jobs with my full-time. Like I said, I'm not overexerting myself, but it is an adjustment for being prepared for these part-time jobs, because I have not had a part-time job with a full-time job ever, I don't think. I know when I was in college, I had a lot of part-time jobs because I pieced my part-time jobs together to make a full-time job. But I haven't had a part-time job since I have started my career. Because I think with my career, I make enough to stay above water. But with me having debts I'm trying to tackle, I need extra income. But yeah, I hope this video has been helpful. Make sure to dialogue with me in the comment box below. Let me know your month update, your February update, or the month we're in, that update. And I will see you all in the next video. Peace.